Today, I'll show you how to repair and reuse this type of motorcycle fuel switch when it becomes faulty. In this fuel switch, fuel is flowing even in the lock position, just like it does in the on and reserve positions. In addition, the body of the switch is leaking. That's why it has been considered faulty and discarded. I'll try to repair it and make it usable again. So, let's get started. This is the on position. This is the lock position. And this is the reserve position. To test it, I've connected a hose pipe. I'll blow air through the other end of the hose to check each position. First, I'm checking the reserve position. Fuel is supposed to flow in this position, so when I blow air, bubbles appear. That means this position is working properly. Now I'm checking the on position. Fuel should also flow here, and as expected, bubbles appear when I blow air. This position is also working correctly. Now I'm checking the lock position. In this position, the fuel flow should be completely blocked. But even after blowing air, bubbles are still coming out. That means the lock position is not sealing properly. This is the reason why this fuel switch was discarded. Now I'm completely disassembling the fuel switch. If you carefully observe all the internal parts, you'll notice that everything appears to be in normal condition. However, the real problem is this long black cylindrical rubber piece. After long-term use, the inner surface has worn out. Also, the perforated metal tube inside has become slightly rough. Because of these two issues, the lock position can no longer seal properly. Now I'm taking a small amount of cotton thread and wrapping a few turns around the rubber piece. There's no need to wrap too much. Just make sure that the holes inside the rubber are not completely blocked. Next, I place the rubber kit back into its original position. Then, I slowly insert the switch handle, along with its round sealing rubber, into the designated opening. Now I reinstall the top cap and tighten all the screws securely. After reassembling everything properly, I'll test all the positions again. For the test, I've connected the hose pipe once more. Again, I'll blow air through the other end of the hose and check each position. First, the reserve position. Bubbles appear when I blow air, which means it's working properly. Next, the on position. Bubbles also appear here, so this position is working correctly as well. Now I'm checking the lock position. In this position, the fuel flow should be completely blocked. Yes, this time no bubbles appear when I blow air. That means the lock position is now sealing properly. Hopefully, this fuel switch can now be used again just like before. So friends, there's no need to throw away this type of fuel switch as soon as it becomes faulty. With a little effort and the right method, many damaged parts can be restored and used again. If you'd like to see more repair videos like this, be sure to check out my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Take care, and thank you for watching.